What do you think happens when you look at 16 divided by 4, multiplied by a parenthesis that says 2 plus 2? Most people rush and do something like this. They say 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 4 times 4 equals 16, and finally 16 divided by 16 gives 1. That is not correct. Let's walk through it carefully. PEMDAS tells us, parentheses first, exponents next, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. Multiplication and division share the same level, so order matters. In our expression, we have 1 parenthesis, 1 division, and 1 multiplication. The multiplication is written without a sign because a number touching parentheses means multiplication. So we start with the parentheses. 2 plus 2 gives 4. Now the expression becomes 16 divided by 4 multiplied by 4. From here, multiplication and division must be handled from left to right. So first, 16 divided by 4 gives 4. Now multiply. For multiplied by 4 equals 16. So the correct final answer is 16. Here's your challenge. 20 divided by 5, 3 plus 1. Drop your answer in the comments. And if this helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more clear math walkthroughs. Last secret. The next video contains a tiny rule that changes huge answers. Don't miss it.